Welcome back to Rena MoMoney Plus videos. I'm Rena MoMoney, and today we're going to be talking about how to earn passive income with only $1,000. Yes, how to earn passive income with only $1,000. To have passive income should be everybody's goal. Come right in. Passive income is money or earnings or income that requires no work or effort to maintain. And again, that's our goal, to make passive income. Passive income is money that you will be making while you're sleeping, while you're doing nothing, while you're vacationing, while you're eating. Passive income just steady rolling in as you do nothing. So if you're ready to learn the 5 best investments and the 5 best ways to earn this passive income with only $1,000, come right on in. Before we get started, I would just ask, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. Subscribe now, turn on the little belly so you won't miss the great stuff that I got for you. I post 3 to 4 times a week on investments, on real estate, on finances, on tips and tools about real estate, wholesaling, and just overall helping you to become a better you. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. And if you want to be mentioned in my next video, please subscribe, because I will randomly select new subscribers and give you a shout out on the next video. Okay, we're going to jump in. There's 5 top investments that you definitely need to make sure that you're into. If you can't afford to do all 5, pick 4, pick 3, just do at least 2. Have something going, because these are the investments that you can just invest $1,000 and have passive income. Okay, so before I get started, if you haven't already, subscribe. Also, I want to give a shout out to Rena MoMoney. Thanks, Brianna, for joining the channel. Thanks for staying tuned. Thanks for learning. Thanks for helping yourself become a better you. Thanks, Rena MoMoney. Jumping right in, there are 5 investments that you only need $1,000 to make passive income. 5 of the top investments that's needed, and you're guaranteed to have a passive income. Okay, so if you can't do 5, do 4. If you can't do 4, do 3. If you can't do 3, do 2. This is one of the ways to riches. This is one of the ways to wealth. This is one of the ways to control your destiny. This is one of the ways to get off that job. This is one of the ways for retirement. This is one of the ways to retire early. Let's get started. The first one is REITs, R-E-I-T-S. Remember, we said REITs was a way to invest your money in real estate without you putting in all the legwork of fixing the house, fixing the plumbing, fixing the electrical, dealing with tenants. That was a good way of getting into real estate if you don't want to personally be a landlord or get into the grind of owning the properties. REITs. And most REITs, or should I say REITs, buy a certain class of real estate, like malls. And usually 6% return on your REITs, on your money. So you get a 6% annual dividend return on REITs. R-E-I-T. Check that out. Some of the brokerage firms you can get them from is Charles Schwab, Fidelity. There's 2 or 3 more out there. You do your due diligence and find out which one you want to start buying and investing $1,000 into their REITs program so that you can start getting this passive income. The second investment that you'll only need $1,000 is index funds. You want to invest in index funds to create this passive income. Now, there's several index funds. I'm going to give you 3 that I think you should really do your due diligence on and check out. Remember, I said normally when we invest in stocks, we invest in things that are 20 years proven income. The first index fund I want to tell you about is VOO. It's ticket symbol VOO, which is Vanguard S&P 500. Vanguard S&P 500 invests in like the top 500 companies, and they do about a 1.75% annual dividend yield. So VOO is the ticket symbol VOO. You want to check on that. Vanguard S&P 500. The second is VNQ, that has the largest real estate investment trust companies. The third is VYM. Okay, so you have VOO, VNQ, and VYM. Do your due diligence. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. These are some of the investments that I know about that are proven to give you passive income with dividends, and passive income where you only need to invest $1,000. Do your own due diligence, but those are 3 index funds that I would highly recommend you taking a look at. The third avenue to passive income is crowdfunding. There's several crowdfundings that may pop up on your internet, that may pop up on your Google as you're looking at stuff. There's several that may send you advertisement. One of the crowdfundings that I know you can invest $1,000 in and start passive income is Fundrise. Check out Fundrise. It's spelled Fundrise. That's a crowdfunding source. There's several, but this is a tip. These are some ways that you can probably start with not probably, but you can start with $1,000. You can invest $1,000 and start that passive income. So if I said anything this far, if I'm giving you something to think about, if I'm giving you some valuable information, I need you to press that subscribe button for me. It'll help me out and help out my channel. So please subscribe if you haven't already. Also click that little like bell, because again, I have a lot of good stuff for you that's going to be on this channel. Jam-packed with real estate, jam-packed with finances, wholesaling, and just ways to become a better you. So moving right on, going into the next one. The fourth is to invest in dividend companies. The fifth investment, or the fifth thing that you can do or invest with just $1,000 or start up with $1,000 and get passive income, is to rent out your space, rent out your home. Get on the platform called Airbnb. If you haven't heard about it, that's a good, powerful thing that they've started. I have to tell you, some people have some wonderful minds. But Airbnb is a source. If you have a home, or you have some space in your home, or you are going to be gone on vacation for 2 weeks or whatever, two days, put your home on Airbnb and rent it out. That's some passive income. You're not there making that work. You're still vacationing. You're out somewhere and your home is making you money through Airbnb. The reason I say it may cost about $1,000 for that one is because you're going to need to do some extra towels, maybe put out some coffee and some snacks or some good stuff like that. Check into that. If you have properties already, or if you have your own property and you're just getting started, that's a good way to, you could put in $1,000. You may need a few extra glasses or home stuff to put inside of your Airbnb and make you some passive income while you're vacationing, or while you're asleep somewhere else, or doing nothing, actively doing nothing, not actively doing anything. I know I said I was only going to give you 5, but there's so many that you could start with $1,000 or invest $1,000 and get passive income, monthly passive income, some quarterly and some maybe annually. But that passive income is still the key there, because you don't have to work. It's making money while you're asleep, making money doing nothing. So that next one I want to tell you about, it sparked me because we were talking about renting out your home. You can also rent out your car through Turo, Turo. You can rent out your car. So if you have an extra car, or if you have a son or a daughter that's away and can't use their car and the car is sitting at the house, rent it out on Turo. If you're going to be away for a week or 2 and you have a nice car, rent it out on Turo. Clean it up, put some gas in it, and sign up for Turo, Turo. That's another way. That's not even $1,000 to get started invest. You can start actually getting passive income, and we know what passive income is, without even investing anything. You're using your own car. So like I said, there's actually 4 or 5 more investments that you can just start with $1,000 and begin to get passive income. Again, like I said, some may be weekly, some monthly, some quarterly, and some annually. But get started. Again, get started. This is really, truly the best way to become a better you. So research that out. I just want to give you something to think about. And if I've been any help at all, if I've changed anything, even the way you're thinking, if I put something on your heart, please subscribe so you can continue to get this good free information. Please hit like. It helps out my channel a lot. Let me know in the comment section which area that you decided to invest in, or let me know in the comment section which area you thought was the most difficult area. Be sure to get ready to watch the next video. I'm going to be giving you more tips and tools on how to crush it in this real estate, crush it in finance, and crush it in just becoming a better you. I also have a description down below on how you can purchase some Become a Better You t-shirt, get a Become a Better You towel. You know, that's my favorite because that's what I'm here for. I want to help you become a better you. That's True Talk.